In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar in Gmail. This feature is particularly handy for those of us who receive numerous emails about events and appointments and want to keep everything well organized in one place. So let's dive in and get started with the process. First, you need to open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. If you're already signed into your Google account, just head to calendar.google.com to access your calendar. Once you've accessed Google Calendar, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find a small icon shaped like a gear. This is the settings icon. Go ahead and click on this icon, then select settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This step will take you to the main settings page of your Google Calendar, where you can customize various features to suit your needs. In the settings menu on the left-hand side, you'll see a section labeled General. Under this section, you should find an option called Events from Gmail. Click on it to proceed. This feature allows your Gmail account to automatically create calendar events from your emails. It's a real time saver for anyone who receives emails with dates, times, and event information. Now you'll see a box next to the option that says Show Events Automatically Created by Gmail in My Calendar. Make sure to check this box. Doing this enables Gmail to transfer relevant event data into your calendar automatically, ensuring no upcoming event goes unnoticed. After checking the box, you'll see a pop-up appear. Simply click OK to confirm your choice and close the pop-up. With that setup complete, let's move on to how you can schedule events directly from within Gmail itself. Open your Gmail account and find an email containing event details. Once you have the email open, look for three vertical dots located at the top of the email message. This is known as the More menu. Click on these dots and a few options will drop down. From there, select Create Event. This option is a quick shortcut to generating a calendar event right from an email. When you click Create Event, a new tab will open in your browser, taking you to your Google Calendar. Here, you'll see the event details pre-filled based on the information extracted from your email. Review these details to ensure everything is accurate and make any necessary adjustments, such as adding additional information or changing the time zone. Once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and click Save to store the event in your calendar. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you're seamlessly integrating your Google Calendar with Gmail, ensuring all your events are neatly organized and easily accessible. Hopefully this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.